If you love potatoes like me, you need to try this easy potato nugget recipe. All you need is 4 simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Give your potatoes a quick wash before peeling and cutting into smaller chunks. Place in a steam-proof dish and steam until they are fork tender. Using a fork, mash your potatoes until they're smooth with just a bit of chunk left. Add your seasoning of choice. I used a packet of instant noodle soup mix. Mix and combine. Add your cornstarch and combine until smooth. Make sure you don't overmix because the texture will be very gummy. Shape your mixture into balls. The bigger it is, the longer it takes to cook, so I do recommend making smaller ones. I was feeling fancy for cherry blossom season, so I used a cherry blossom cutter to make these super cute flour potato nuggets. Look how cute these are. Place your nuggets into your air fryer and brush with oil. Air fry at 280 degrees for 25 minutes. These are crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. They will be your new favorite snack.